thought, oh my gosh, how perfect as far as neurodivergent thinking explained perfectly. So let's go ahead and watch the video. Maybe you can relate.
Say that you're going to go into Sainsbury's, into a shop, and you need to buy a spaghetti bolognese for dinner. A
Yeah.
normal linear person thinking will go in, get the spaghetti, get the mince, get the onion, get the garlic, get the tomato sauce, and leave.
Yep.
You will go in and you'll be like, I've got a list. But you'll be like, how can I make the sauce? How can I enhance that with flavors? Tomorrow, if I wanted to add this into the dish to kind of make it into a batch style, what would I get? And your brain goes into this amazing spiral system that you see a completely different picture.
Yes.
In the schooling system, that's going to be hindered. You need to know X equals Y, and that's all you can do. But outside, if you want to kind of go into anything else, this will be a really big kind of skill set for you.
Oh my gosh, like exactly. When I came across this video, I was thinking this is exactly anytime I go into the grocery store, this is exactly what happens. I can have my list together and it doesn't really matter because a list, might not, just a grocery list of items that I need to be able to make something, that might not give me what I need. However, a tool that I find incredibly helpful is a mind map as far as being able to work with my mind and not against it. So for example, I'm going to write grocery store in the middle, and hopefully I spell everything correctly. If not, please forgive me because this is what we do. Okay, so I'm going to put a cloud around it because that's like my go-to image for any type of thing. And I'm also going to break up my grocery run into different lists. So we've got meats. I know that I want to, like in the video, she's talking about making a spaghetti bolognese. That's not my go-to food. Instead, my go-to food is soup. I like all kinds of different soups. So let's see. I know whenever I'm making a soup that I've got to think about, like, I like to make a homemade bone broth, and that requires a whole chicken. So I'm going to put on here whole chicken. I know I need different types of veggies or produce. I need, let's see, celery, carrots, onion, garlic. All right, and let's see, what else? Oh, I also need to put on here miscellaneous and dairy as well. I believe the soup I'm going to make is zuppa toscana, which is like a Olive Garden. If you're in the United States and watching this video, it's this really delicious type of bacon and sausage potato soup. Oh my gosh, I need potatoes. Potatoes. Let's see. Sausage. I need bacon. So I've got potatoes, bacon, oh, kale. And I'm not sure, but I might get spinach as well. So we're gonna put that on here. Because again, depending on what I want to do with the chicken, because the chicken isn't going to be part of the soup. A chicken is going to be just the broth for making that. So I want to do that. Oh, I need heavy whipping cream for my soup. So we'll just put here heavy cream. For dairy, I know I need cheese. I'm going to put Parmesan on here. So Parmesan. And then my son was also saying this morning, who's asking me, Mommy, when are you going to make us bacon Gouda sandwiches? So I want to definitely pick up some type of Gouda. I'm going to put on here bread. And I need ciabatta rolls for the sandwiches. I know this isn't a bread, but frozen pizza, that's definitely has a lot of bread, because sometimes I don't always feel like cooking, and I might go to the grocery store and decide, yeah, I've got all these ingredients and I need to make soup and different things, but I don't really feel like doing that right now. So this gives me some options. What else? Candles. Oh my God, I cannot forget. I need toilet paper. So we're going to put toilet paper on here. And what else? We've got bacon, cheese, potatoes, all the different types of herbs, ciabatta rolls, kale, dairy. Anyway, you get the point. I think you see the idea as far as being able to think radiantly and use my neurodivergent mind and work with my mind as far as having everything be explained. Because the thing is that when I go into a grocery store, now that I have a mind map put together, I can go in and I can decide, if I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, I get there and the place is just busy or my energy is really low, I can decide that, what, the only thing I'm going to pick up is toilet paper and I'll just have to come back tomorrow. Or I can decide, what, I really only have enough energy right now to make the bone broth, so I need a whole chicken and I need some of the aromatics. Or I might be feeling great and just like, let's get this stuff done and buy everything off the list that I need. Regardless of what it is, I hope you found this tool helpful. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think, what other kind of videos and stuff that you think is helpful. And if you like mind mapping, I'll also link my Skillshare course for mind mapping below. So I think that's enough as far as plugs go. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!